Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. This original video was in Spanish, and this is for all the people that are watching me in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media. Today we finish early, and we want to clean inside our truck mount. We remove already the vacuum hose and the dissolution hose to get more access inside the van. But today we are going to clean the water tank and inside the water tank dissolution. It has some black spots on the sides because it's a cylinder. I didn't clean it for 1 year. I always keep it with fresh water and I didn't see any spots, but lately I have seen in my right side some black spots. What I'm gonna use is some sheets from my Degreaser, and I'm gonna stick it with some elastic, and I'm gonna wrap it around a swifter. And also I'm gonna use a degreaser. I'm gonna pour some foam degreaser attached with my water hose. Monica is recording me right now. She's recording the van. We do carpet and residential cleaning, tile cleaning. So the tank is not that dirty, okay? But on my right side, I see some black spot inside. So I'm gonna pour some, in that side, I saw some black stains inside. I'm requesting Monica to record. I see. Did you see that black spots? Yeah, it's for the water. And Jose, the mechanic who fixed my truck mount, he told me to put some water and vinegar, and also maybe some water and Clorox. I'm using right now a flexible nylon rod attached with a toilet brush sponge. Also, I'm stick some sheet of Magic Eraser with my swifter, so my swifter has a long handle. Also, I tried to put some pressure washer inside using my gun, but I couldn't reach because it's around. This is a cylinder, and there is some part that I couldn't reach. So right now I'm gonna pour our foam degreaser. The foam degreaser is gonna help me to get some uh, cleaning power, and the foam is gonna stick more into the surface, and with the toilet sponge and the nylon and the flexible nylon rod, I'm gonna brush inside the tank and try to reach all the surface for inside. Maybe the guys who does truck mount up north knows a better way to do it. In reality, I don't know any way, so we try to think how can we reach the walls of this cylinder. This is my water tank cylinder. I do carpet cleaning, but not like the people up north that has a truck mount that they run all day the truck mount and they have 4 jobs, 5 jobs a day. Well, my main service is heavy duty residential and commercial cleaning, new construction cleaning. I have some vacation homes and people that I offer carpet and tile cleaning. So my need is not to have a big water tank or dissolution tank. So I'm recording right now how I'm cleaning inside the cylinder. Monica is more flexible than me, so I'm recording in the meantime she's doing. It came really good. We cleaned all the surface inside. I don't know if there is any product especially for that. In reality, I didn't want to use chlorine because I don't want any spot of chlorine into my tank, because I was afraid that I will damage any kind of carpets, even though I will rinse them really good. So I tried to avoid Clorox. Beside the degreaser, I use some sanitizer by Ecolab. It's a pink product that I have. So we clean it really good. She spent around 10 minutes, something like that. Another reason why I remove all the vacuum hose and the dissolution hose is because we want to paint around the van, especially the ceiling and the side of the van, because it has some black spots. People that does truckmount knows that with the heat and the humidity at the same time, it will produce some black spots. So we want to paint the sizes of the van and give some love to our track mount in order to perform better and have a better presentation in the while we save some money to buy new trucks. Monica right now is show you how she's cleaning the sizes. You can see the brush, because that brush is a sponge. It's not hard, it's like a sponge. Sometimes we use that kind of a sponge for toilets. So what I like about the flexible nylon rod is because it's flexible, so I love it. She's showing right now how we adapt the magic eraser sheet into our Swifter. The Swifter had some long handle, and she's removing the black spots on the right side of the cylinder. She did a really good job. This is a team effort. Once a year we paint the van inside. Hilda right now is cleaning the van, and she is organizing a little bit the container that we have different type of filters. We use commercial protein backpack vacuums, and I have different type of vacuums. So, and brands, and every brand has different type of bags. So this is Fiorella. I'm happy because we purchased our electric reel. I have another video where Jose is explaining how to use our electric reel. That reel is really expensive, but we prefer to invest because we are women